Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to explore on how we are going to replace a faulty HT on Siemens Sensation 64 slice. So here, this is our target, our HT, the one that we want to remove. It's faulty, as you can see. And before we continue, make sure you subscribe, share, and make sure. So we will begin by removing the externally connected cables, like this one. Make sure you are very careful when removing this because it's very delicate. Second, you have to remove the cable tile. Remove the cable ties. All the internally connected cables should remain intact. Remove this cable tile. Then we have to remove this earth which is externally connected. We will unscrew it from here. Let's rotate the gantry a little bit. Perfect. Now here we go. We have full access to our target. Now we will remove this one. We will unscrew this screw. We have the Allen keys. And as we continue, make sure you subscribe, share. We will be posting such videos of behind the scenes medical equipment, mostly radiology, that is X-ray, CT, MRI, ultrasound. Make sure to subscribe and share, and comment on which videos you want us to share. This is the part 1 of the video. If you want the part 2, tell us and we will post it. Remove this screw, these cables. It's an M10. Remove it. You have to mark them properly. You know these two, where they are going. And you also unscrew this one. So you have to be very keen when you're unscrewing these or when you're disconnecting any cable. You need to know where they are going and where they're coming from and their functionality. Now we've removed. We have these 4 screws around the HT. We will unscrew these 4 M14 screws so that to remove the machine or to remove the HT in place where it is, to disconnect it from the gantry. So we'll start by this one. Guys, as we continue, you know this is Medtech Hustler. We deal with radiology equipment, that is supply, replacement, repair, installations. We do all that. Reliable. We're located in Kenya, Mombasa, Nairobi, all over. For quality services, you can comment or follow us on Instagram or TikTok at Medtech Hustler. Time to remove our HT. It's very heavy. It's about almost 20 kg, so make sure you have enough support. So this is our target. We've removed it. the faulty one, the one that we are supposed to replace, and here where it was in the gantry. Perfect. The part 1 of the video is done. Make sure to subscribe, share, and comment for the second. This is Medtech Hustler. We post behind the scene videos of installation, repair and maintenance of radiology equipment.